The Raspberry Pi 5 is nice, but can it be even nicer? One of the tasks for my new Raspberry Pi is cross-platform testing, and clearly that's something that needs work. Wow, I didn't realize that my Zoom code was so bad on Linux. I probably should fix that. Well, one problem at a time, because there's another issue here. I'll turn off the zoom and you can see for yourself. When the cards are flipped, they're blank. That makes the game a lot harder. Apparently I can tell the gender of certain cards, or which ones are wearing sunglasses. But overall, this game is broken. How to make emoji appear on Raspberry Pi OS. By clicking the Raspberry Pi icon, there's a Preferences option, and in that section, there's Add Remove Software. There's a lot in that space, but if you search for emoji, it's easier to find the color emoji font from Google. This is Google's webpage for the font. That first word is short for no tofu. If you read the description from the software window, it says, tofu is Japanese jargon for a Unicode replacement character. So that might look alien at first, but basically the name is something of a joke. That's kind of funny. What's also nice is that the font is licensed under the Open Font license. That's what the page says. It also says you can use them in your products and projects. Although it also says this isn't legal advice. This video is not legal advice either. But technically speaking, that's all there is to solving the missing emoji problem. Often the Raspberry Pi is compared to a desktop computer. Yet it's not just about raw computing power. The Raspberry Pi 5 can do a lot of common computing tasks. But it has to feel fun while doing it. There were a lot of little things that I needed to fix when first using the Raspberry Pi. Like something as simple as changing the clock formatting was a bit technical. Or getting emoji to work. But that's what the Raspberry Pi is all about. It's a computer for makers. I'm still not sure what I'm going to make with this thing, but at least the emoji are working.